A security information and event management, or SIEM platform, is the core technology of a modern security operations center. It collects and analyzes security data from across the enterprise. This helps defenders detect, investigate, correlate, alert on, and respond to cyber threats. A SIEM is a centralized platform that collects, stores, analyzes, and monitors security events. It offers analysts a single pane of glass for enterprise-wide visibility. Data is pulled from various sources, including servers and endpoints, network devices, identity systems, and cloud and app services. Logs are the foundation of SIEM operations. A log is a time-stamped record of an event on a system. Every action generates logs, which are the raw material for security monitoring. Without logs, defenders are essentially blind, highlighting why log collection and analysis are critical society skills. Logs capture user activity, system activity, and network activity. Enterprise environments contain thousands of devices, each generating logs independently. Manually checking every source is impossible at scale. SIEM platforms enable centralized log aggregation, making enterprise-scale security monitoring possible. This process involves three main steps: collect, centralize, and investigate. Individual events may seem harmless, but when correlated together, they reveal attack patterns. SIEM correlation rules automatically link related events across systems. For example, a failed login attempt followed by a successful login, and then a PowerShell execution can be correlated to reveal a potential attack sequence. SOC teams cannot manually review millions of logs daily. The SIEM automatically generates alerts for suspicious activity, helping analysts focus on the highest priority threats. Examples of alerts include multiple failed logins, impossible travel logins, ransomware behavior, and lateral movement. The false positive problem occurs when legitimate activity is flagged as malicious. Poorly tuned rules create alert fatigue, causing analysts to drown in noise and miss real threats. The solution is detection tuning. This involves refining correlation rule logic, adding contextual exceptions, and measuring alert quality over volume. Different systems generate logs in different formats. Event normalization standardizes these unique structures into a consistent format inside the SIEM. This common language enables sufficient search, the use of universal detection rules, and cross-technology correlation, linking events across diverse systems. Modern SIEM platforms have evolved beyond simple log collection. Today's solutions integrate advanced capabilities that expand detection and response power. These enhancements include AI-assisted detection, user behavior analytics, cloud monitoring for hybrid visibility, and threat intelligence to enrich events with global context. A SIEM is your most valuable blue team skill, providing centralized visibility into enterprise activity. Mastering its core functions, log aggregation, correlation, alerting, and normalization, is essential for every blue team professional. Up next, we will dive deeper into log management and security monitoring.